Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, and today we have the next Temu unboxing. This has arrived a day later than expected, but we now have the Disney themed. Inside here we have a very not so famous film from Disney, but it's one that I'm very passionate about, and I can't wait to dive into it and see what it looks like. So I'm going to use my extended knife here today because I've mislaid my Temu one. Trouble is I can't really go right into it, otherwise I'm going to risk going into the actual canvas. So see what we can do here. I think this knife's a bit blunt. I think what I'll do is I'm going to put my scissors in this, I think, because it's a bag in a bag. Interesting. I don't think we've ever had a bag in a bag before. How cool. Well, get it out somehow. Okay, so a bag within a bag. Okay, it's past the parcel. Okay, interesting. I mean, they could have just like shipped it in the bag that's here, you know. But let's get into this. Now this canvas was actually £5, so it was a little bit extra. This is interesting, it's not got that cellophane on it, it's basically been wrapped inside a carrier bag, which I think is a first for me on here. I don't think I've ever come across something like this before, because normally they're in the bags. Now this was £5 and I was quite happy to pay that. I think it was actually £4.98, but it was definitely near the £5 mark. I was quite happy to pay this, but can you guess what it is? Oh, yabba dabba doo. Oh yeah, baby, this is beautiful. Yeah, that's come out fantastic. You never really know what it's going to look like until you get it, you know, in person. I'm not really sure if it's pixelated of the old style. It looks probably like the new style, but certain areas do come across like it's probably the old style, but this is fantastic. It has got a whopping 33 colours in there, and as you can see, it's Finding Dory. We've got the little turtle that goes, dude, hey dude, you right, dude. And then his little son there, and then obviously Marlin down here. Where Nemo is, I really don't know, but it is from Finding Nemo, and it says up here Silence, apparently. So yeah, this is a 30 times 40, but it's a landscape, which is quite interesting because 30 times 40s are definitely not this size, and normally a 30 times 40 is the same sort of size as, I would say, this. For example, as you can see here, this one here is a 30 times 40. Now, a 30 times 40 is about there. So from this edge of here to about the top of there. So I think that size is a misprint, because a 30 times 40 wouldn't be this big. It would roughly be about that size. So that's quite interesting. So, but I absolutely am over the moon with this paint, and it's so beautiful. And that's going to be part of my Disney theme later in the year. We've got a lovely selection of bags, a pen, thought that was a see-through thing there, a tray and some wax, and then we've got a whopping, look at all of these colours, wow, I'm really happy with this. So in here we've got loads. I'm going to have to do it in reverse order because there's so many colours. So we've got brown, we've got a few grey and blues, all lots of escapees there, orange and yellows, and we've got some orange and mustard colours there, army green, a few browns, orange and lilac and yellow. Very small packs indeed, actually. There's not really a lot of jewels in this. Oh, that's nice. That's a gorgeous little pink there. So we've got that one. We've also got ourselves these ones, so as you can see, we've got purple and teal, light blue, plum, again probably another sort of light blue colour there, that lovely mint colour, and pink, green. Oh, look at this, wow. So we've got 4 strips of that colour, and then we've got about 2 strips of this darker blue. So normally when you get a pack with loads of the colour, like 4 of the same pack, you know it's going to be heavy on that colour. Classic 310 there, brown, that could be Hobie. That is probably the closest colour I've got for Hobie there. And we've got some mauve as well. So a really, really lovely painting. ZK16, again another symbol I'm not familiar with, because that coating don't come up very often. But this is absolutely superb. I cannot, wait to get into this. As I said, I'm a bit baffled as why they've called it a 30x40, because that definitely is not a 30x40. It's more like a 40, probably a 40x50 maybe, but it's definitely not a 30x40. So I think they've got that a little bit muddled up. I'm not sure, but I can't wait to dive into this. I'm literally itching to get into this. It's so cool. But it's been on my Temu cart for some time, but I just kept debating because I was like, I wonder if I keep it in there, come down a bit more in price, because I don't, most of the paintings on there are like $2.50, something like that. So if I can get it a little bit cheaper, it's always good, but I will bite the bullet if I want to, and I will spend a little bit more. I like to keep it within £5, but if I really like it, I don't care how much it costs, I'm having it. But yeah, really, really good, and I think this lovely streak down there will give it a lovely reflection. But anyway, I'm going to stop looking at this painting because it's so gorgeous. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. I've just noticed down here it's got a bit of a pink blemish on it. It's not on the other side, but can you see it's very dark pink there with the white strips? So I hope that's not a colour print issue there, but maybe it's a sign that he's been rubbing against the ammonia or whatever it's called. I don't know, but yeah, I'm a little bit concerned as to why that's pink, but we'll have to see. It could be a reflection of some sort, I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, a really, really lovely painting. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. I'm still going to do it anyway, but I might swap that out to a white. If you want to get this for yourself, the link's in the description of the video. Please remember to tap the bell and be notified of future uploads. And also, if you want to get it, the link's in the description of the video, and it comes from Temu. Take care, have a lovely evening, and we'll see more of Temu unboxings coming very, very soon. Catch you later.